Hey everyone, need help with your Cloud AI account or running into a problem you can't fix? In this video, I'll show you how to contact Cloud AI support step by step. Yeah, whether you're dealing with account issues, billing questions, or technical problems, this guide will help you reach the right support option. First, open your web browser and visit the Cloud AI website. Sign in to your account if required. Being logged in can help you access personalized support options and account-related assistance. Once you're on the website, look for the Help, Support, or Contact Us section. This option is usually available in the main menu, Account Settings, or at the bottom of the website. Next, open the support page and review the available help options. You may find a Help Center, FAQ section, live chat, email support, or a contact form depending on the available services. If you need direct assistance, choose the contact option that works best for your issue. For example, use live chat for quick questions or submit a support request for more detailed problems. Choosing the right category can help your request reach the correct team faster. When creating a support request, explain your issue clearly. Include details such as the problem you're experiencing, your device, browser, error messages, and any steps you've already tried. Before submitting your request, review your information and attach screenshots or files if needed. Providing extra details can help the support team understand and solve your problem more quickly. After sending your request, check your email or support dashboard for updates. So keep an eye on responses and follow any instructions provided by the support team. And that's how you contact Cloud AI support. Getting help is much easier when you provide clear information and choose the right support channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.